Okay, in February. Did you hear how I said that?
Yes, this past February.
This past only on February. Stop!
The school hosted.
Hey guys, so last week we brought in two models, Audrie and Ella. They both wore two different style of dresses from Rent a Dress.
Audrie had a vintage dress and Ella had a formal prom dress. The class was split into two teams. One went to the natural light studio, the other went to the main studio. So each student had to shoot on their own. There was no main photographer. Everybody had to think out of the box a little bit to be a little different, because at the end of all this, a big-time photographer from Nashville, Tennessee will be the judge.
So this past February, Russ came down from Tennessee and hosted a workshop with the students.
Since Russ is very comfortable with the students of the school, they felt that they can submit their best work without intimidation.
Also going to be updating our Instagram, so you can go ahead and follow us on our Instagram. You can also find us on our Facebook page, RGV Photography Workshops, and that's it.
That's all.
That's all, folks.
That's all. That's all, folks. Oh, I kind of lost my train of thought.
Yeah.
So anyway, you can start. So the two classes, I steal your thunder. Were you supposed to say
yeah,
we'll be the judge?
Like my hands are sweating.
So are mine.
Winning photo is okay. So during the shoot,